Imagine you never feel tired again. No sleep, ever. 8 extra hours every single day. That's 120 extra days per year. More work, more money, more life. Sounds perfect, right? But sleep isn't wasted time. It's maintenance. Your brain cleans itself during sleep. It flushes out toxic waste proteins that build up during the day. No sleep? That waste accumulates. Memory weakens. Emotions spiral. Decision-making collapses. Your brain overheats without the reset cycle. Sleep also regulates hormones. No sleep means chaos in hunger signals, stress levels, and immune defense. You don't just stay awake. You slowly break down. Sleep isn't weakness, it's survival mode. Remove it, and humans wouldn't evolve into superhumans. We collapse, pause. Turns out, your bed is a biological necessity.